Welcome to the introduction into Module 1. We are going to explain you the journey you're going to take within the next 9 weeks for the MSc of Anesthesia and Perioperative Sciences and the Module 1. We're going to start with a little tour through the hospital and general conduct in theatre, which might be really interesting, especially for the ones who have not been in the healthcare setting before. And then we will look at the anesthetics and the theatre team. Teamwork is a really crucial part of anesthetics, including the professional behavior and communication, which we will look at from a professional point of view, including human factors, training, which will be part of other modules as well. And then we believe that looking into the history and development of anesthesia helps you to understand how we got to where we are today and what things mean. And then obviously we want to give you an introduction into the practical conduct of anesthesia. Basics, we will go into much more detail in the next modules. You will learn about the monitoring and the equipment and how to take a history of a patient and how to examine a patient. And the whole preoperative assessment and the surgical pathway is part of this teaching. We're going to talk about ethical legal considerations in surgery and anesthesia, how to get consent of patients, how to write the consent, and what to consider and what not to consider when it comes to the legal aspects and the risks involved in anesthesia. After those introductions, we would like to introduce you to the anesthetic machine, to much more practical stuff, the breathing circuits and how to set it up and how to deliver safe anesthesia. And a big part of that is also a safe use of anesthetic drugs and controlled drugs. These are basic principles. We are going much more deeper into pharmacology and pharmacokinetics throughout the other modules. We also want to introduce monitoring, how to assess a patient, how to make sure they are safe and well throughout the procedure. We'll talk about ECG, pulse oximeter, and other monitoring tools. And at the end of the module, we want to introduce you to aspects of global anesthesia, green anesthesia, consumables and waste disposals. So this is a big bag of things you will learn with lots of nuggets of wisdom and lots of really valuable things. We want to welcome you to our course, and we will hope that you enjoy it and that we can help you to learn meaningful things within the next 2 years with us. We hope that we can support you in your learning, and we're looking forward to work with you. Thank you very much and enjoy your first 9 weeks.